Hello everyone, I'm installing the Stinger H10 radio into my 2009 Jeep Wrangler. I'm not a mechanic, but figure I'd give you guys an idea. But hopefully I know what I'm doing. This is 2009 Jeep Wrangler again. I'm not a electrician or mechanic, but I do like working on my Jeep on my own if I can do it. But here we go. I already uninstalled the radio. This is my old radio. It's a piece of crap. I had it for years now. Got tired of it. Alright, so this will be the Jeep harness. So right here is pretty much a layout, you know, of the wiring and components that you get in the mail. It comes in the box. There's the radio itself, and then it comes in like plastic bags with brackets and stuff. There's the harness that it comes with to work with your steering wheel, but I don't need it. I already plugged everything in last night because it's snowing out and I don't want to be outside longer than I have to. Plugged everything in, see where everything's like, where it goes. So right here's a diagram, you know, pretty much says it, lays it out. Okay. And then turn the page and you see the colors, and then turn to the next page. You'll see the type of wires that you have. The wires all came out separate, then you just gotta play with them. This is the harness. I already have the correct interface installed on it. Came with two, but this one I'm not gonna need because it doesn't match my Jeep. Throw that in there. So I connected it. And probably I had a preset. This is the radio itself. Excited. And then the bracket, two brackets. I'm gonna start soldering the wires together. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. Alright, so I just did most of the soldering on the wiring. This is the heigh10 wiring harness with the RP4 module harness. Pretty much, you know, these instructions suck. I went online and they had color. So pretty much solder them together, use electrical tape all around, and I'm going to show you guys. So color, there are color by color, but one wire, the wire that's left is the purple and white, and I'll give you an update what that connects to any minute. Alright, so I found what that purple white wire was for. It goes to the speed sensor on the multi-camera harness right over here. So I soldered that together, and that was my last one. So hopefully I still didn't fuck it up, but we'll see. So I finally got brackets installed. You know, it's a little pain in the butt, but whatever. 3 screws, you know, like the instructions said. You know, the brackets right there, screws. I need to get the navigation card, but they didn't have any in stock. And then I put the bracket on the screen as well on the display. You know, I have the angle bracket too. I want to see how it looks like when it's angled towards me. You can see it's not that much, but we'll see how it looks like. Right now I'm about to install the cigarette, or the 2-port cigarette port, whatever you call it. Fuck it. I'm gonna see how it looks like. I'm on the GPS part, so here you can see I'm gonna leave it on top of there and reroute it through the Velcro. Alright, and then I went into the dashboard, and here There it is. And then I disconnected the igniter port, and then it was pretty much easy. It's in the video on YouTube. Not gonna go into it, but pretty much routed it here. It's not bad so far. Alright, well, here it is. Finally got the connections done. Kind of confused a couple of them, but you know, kept reading back and forth in the manual. See, zip tied it. Try to do as a better cable management as I could, but it's kind of really hard to do. Plus, I got to tuck it in there. See what happens. I'm about to tuck them in there and hopefully it fits. Alright, so here's my first time turning the car on. Hopefully everything's done right and it turns on. Oh, fuck you. Alright, so the display screen didn't want to turn on earlier. You know, couldn't find out what the problem was. I made sure everything was connected correctly. All the plugs were plugged in correctly. So what I did was I called customer service. You know, even though it's a long wait, you know, I finally got in touch with them. You know, when you do get in touch with them, they really are helpful. You know, and they are knowledgeable. So after like several minutes or more being on the phone with her, we came out to be that it was the light green wire on the navigational outlets and the purple reverse wire coming from the radio itself. So if you have a manual, I guess it gives it power all day, where it goes straight to the camera display on the screen. So we have to, she told me to, you know, cut the wire, and that's when I had radio, and I'll show you right now. See, now it comes on. Does take a while. Wish they did better, but there, it's on. So what she told me to do, which makes sense, which, you know, is just to tap the reverse wire into a the reverse wire on a tail light. See, and it should trigger the camera on the display. So we'll see. Here we go, just started the car. Fucking screen takes forever to load. Yep. Finally. Yep. I'll do a walk around another day when it's warmer outside. Right now, my balls are shivering. So sorry for the vague instructions. I figured, you know, there's a few other videos that pretty give detailed instructions, but this is just for people like me who are not mechanics or like electricians. You know, I'm nothing to deal with that. But yeah.